So, guys, I won't be going live for at least this week. I've been sick for a while now, like 3 days. I've been sick, so I'm so down and I'm under medication. And this is my medication. I'm having cough, serious cough, and dizziness. So, this is my medication. Just this balm. Like this. The buckets. This is how I treat myself. I don't take drugs. I hate drugs. Not because it's bitter, but I don't think it's good for my health. So I'm not in support of drugs. I just take garlic, ginger, bitter kola, and I will get back myself. Once it's done, I add some hot water inside. And here is my hot water. Immediately cover yourself with blanket. A blanket. My blanket. Keep it here. Inhale and exhale. Whoa! Wow. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. I feel much better. Let's go again. That is all for now.